The struggle of a content creator. Nothing spoiled. Welcome back. I got this. Can you guess what I want to use this thing for? Before we even move further, can you guess it? Guess, let me know. If you are able to guess right. Just joking. Wow. For people who have been asking me about what they want to use. Did you watch my last video on the tools you need to get started? Yeah. Oh, if you haven't, check the link in the description box. In fact, check it in the comment section as well. I'll put it there so that you get it. And this is what I'm preparing because I will soon have a class working on it, which is going to be perfume master class. Yes. And do you know one thing about perfume making is the more you experiment, because it is all about trial and method. Yes. Whatever formula you come out with, it becomes your own, your special formula, your special recipe. Yeah. So there's nothing like, oh, maybe you didn't get it right, or you got it wrong. No. Whatever you come out, whatever the outcome of your recipe is good to go. That is your recipe. This is good for you. It's good. Yeah. So today I'm trying to put all this together so that we can have fragrance oil to work with as a beginner. And if you are interested, don't forget to just, it's going to be in a pack. I'm still working on it. This is what I got. I've already made a video on where you can get all this. I don't want to, I will also have this one when it's ready. This is 30 ml, but this one is more expensive than this one. So in order to make it affordable for everyone, that is why I'm getting it. Especially if you're in Lagos State, Nigeria, and then you want to learn how to make perfume, this is what you are going to get from me when the course is out. So I want to put it up, fill my recipe there. I got this oil, unlike before that these things are very expensive now. Before you can get them in very affordable price, but now everything has skyrocketed. I hope you know. If you are still in Nigeria, if you are outside the country, I cannot say. So the essence of this one is to put, I don't have much of this so I'm going to be very careful so that I don't spill it, because I cannot use the, if I use the funnel, the mini funnel, that means I can only use it for this particular one today. Then when I clean it up, I can now use it for another thing. I'll also do video on how you can clean your senses so that you can reuse it. So what I'm doing here is to fill up all this bottle with the fragrances available. That is the fragrance oil. Then put the name tag on it for easy identification. And after that is to put it together to make perfume starter kit, or let me say training kit for my potential students. So I will make a perfume starter kit, which is a training kit for my students. Will you want to be part of them? Well, glue to this channel, yes, so that you get updates on when the training will be coming on. Until I come your way next time, please don't forget to subscribe, share, and like. Thank you, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.